Get started with your easy-to-use Braun Temple Swipe thermometer with a few simple steps. For best accuracy, let the thermometer and individual being measured acclimate to the room temperature for 30 minutes before using the thermometer. First, remove the protective cap from the thermometer. Then, press the power button to turn it on. When the screen displays 0, it is ready to take a measurement. Hold the thermometer steady and make sure that any hair, dirt, or sweat is removed from the forehead and temple before taking a temperature. Place against the skin, just above the eyebrow before pressing the temperature button. Keeping skin contact, swipe down the temple to ear and back to eyebrow until long beep is heard. The temperature will appear on the large display along with a green, yellow, or red color from the fever guidance system. When you are finished using your thermometer, press the power button again to turn it off, or it will automatically power down after 60 seconds without use. The Braun Temple Swipe is safe, hygienic, and perfect for the whole family.